If you're a fragrance enthusiast, you need to hear this. Want your perfume to linger longer? Let's make it happen. To keep your prized fragrances fresh, it's all about smart storage and a few savvy tricks. First things first, keep your scents away from windows and sunlight. Those sunbeams might be great for selfies, but they're kryptonite for your perfume. Instead, store your perfumes in cool, dry spots. And remember, your perfume's original box isn't just a pretty face, it's a protective shield. After that first spritz, tuck your bottle back in its box to keep it safe and sound. Not only will it last longer, but it'll also add a touch of elegance to your vanity. And here's a pro tip. Avoid keeping your fragrances in the bathroom. The heat and humidity can break down those precious notes faster than you can say eau de toilette. So, show your perfume some love, and they'll return the favor by smelling divine all day, every day. Love these tips? Hit that subscribe button and visit us at southbeachperfumes.com for the latest deals and more expert advice. Keep smelling fabulous, fragrance friends.